BioWell is a revolutionary tool that uses electrophotonic imaging or gas discharge visualization technique to provide you with an express assessment of your energetic state. Developed by an international team led by Dr. Konstantin Korotkov, BioWell brings the powerful technology of gas discharge visualization technique to market in a more accessible way than ever before. Assessment using BioWell is easy. It consists of a special desktop camera and accompanying software. The scanning process is quick, easy and non-intrusive. When a scan is conducted, a weak electrical current is applied to the fingertips for less than a millisecond, and the response is captured by the video camera. The interpretation of the scans is based on the acupuncture points concept, Ayurveda and many scientific and clinical researches made throughout the 20 years. BioWell provides real-time feedback on what factors, positive and negative, affect your stress and energy state. The system provides an impression of your energy and stress levels and allows users to see their day-to-day transformation and the influence of different situations and stimuli. Get a free BioWell energy reading today and discover your energetic state like never before. Book your free session now with a pre-post assessment.